So this is going to be a ranting video regarding cloud gaming because of the development that is happening as we speak. Because on today's date, on Monday, October 20th, 2025, the Amazon web servers are down worldwide, leading to widespread outages across major online platforms, including Fortnite, Roblox, Steam, PlayStation Network, Xbox Live, just to name a few. And if you don't believe me, you probably have been experiencing a little bit of delays on a lot of services that you relied on the internet. And this is actually a list of actual video game companies and more that have been affected. And it is a huge list because you see that Clash Royale, Fortnite, Clash of Clans, Rainbow Siege, Epic Games, Rocket League, you see Xbox, Steam, Apex, Ubisoft, Palworld, EA, all of those things have been affected that you cannot access. And it's been from a point in which I've already been talking about for a very long time that I'm not very confident, or I'm not even happy about what direction the video game industry is going, because we already been seeing from stores and also some of the, I would say, patterns in which they are slowly moving away from physical media and heavily relying on digital and also cloud streaming video games. Like, that's where we're going. And I have a feeling that the next generation of games, especially with PlayStation and also Xbox, that's exactly where we're going. And even Nintendo is going to that route. And look at today. This is a perfect example in which if you put all your eggs in one basket, especially on a network, and then the internet decides to basically shut down, guess what? You do not have access to your cloud gaming, library, your digital library, nothing. And guess what? It's just a waste of money because the video games have been relying too much on online gaming. And I have to go back. We have to go back, especially us OG video game enthusiasts. What was wrong with having a physical game in which when you open it up, you have the actual physical game with you? It has all the data. All you have to do is plug and play your console, put this game inside. You did not have to use any, updates. You did not have to buy any crappy DLC, and you did not have to rely on the internet. You could just plug and play, and then you would have the best times of your life with actually owning the game without the relying of the internet. When this idea of simple convenience became obsolete, I do not know. But this is where we're going, especially in the next generation of gaming, in which they're heavily relying on the internet and also cloud gaming as the root for video games. And like I said, if you're Steam, if you like digital, that's cool and all. But again, when the internet is down, where do you go? What do you do? It is a nightmare situation. And that's why a lot of OG video gamers, especially for the 80s, 90s, 2000s, we have been just saying it from the top of our lungs that we need to continue to have physical gaming and not have asset as well. Sometimes we just want to have just the entire game in a cartridge or a CD without the relying of the internet. There is just something nice about that. And right now, this is just a call to arms and an alarm going on. And I know the video game companies right now, they're going to think this is just a bleep. Oh, it doesn't matter. But for the other gamers out there, this is just another huge red alarm that we're witnessing. And it sucks that where the direction of video games is going, but hopefully that there is a video game company, doesn't matter who, that they know the value of physical gaming and they do not take it out from their actual way of life of gaming. But what about you guys? What do you guys think about this outage? Do you think that I'm making too much noise? Do you think that this is just a perfect example of how cloud gaming or digital gaming or relying on internet gaming is just not worth it? It's very fragile. Or do you think that this could be a turning point in which we might be realizing that we need to go back to the basics of video gaming? Write your comments below. If you like the content of this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, Hit the notification so you know future videos are available. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed today, and again, stay awesome.